Hello. Today we are going to show you some ways to make money from YouTube without appearing. And we'll show you some tools that will help you to do this. In this video, we will use some of them, where we will create all the content without appearing to support some people who do not have the ability to appear in front of the camera. And we explain to them how to do this and encourage them to start making money from YouTube. In the beginning, you must create an email and then create your own YouTube channel. It is better to create a special email for your channel. You must use Google Chrome because all tools accept it. The first thing we need is to find a topic to talk about that has high research indicators. VidIQ is one of the most important tools for measuring keyword strength. And also answer the public, it is a good web to find ideas. CAD, this tool will write any text you want. Canva, this tool to make a good design thumbnail, and it has many other uses. VoiceMaker to convert text to voice. In Video, this tool will collect everything for you, and you will find ready-made video templates that can be modified as you like.